Good morning guys, welcome to my vlog. So for today's video, we discuss about the future agriculturists. Individuals are better equipped to adapt to change and overcome the challenges in their careers in agriculture were factor in like weather condition. The market trends and technological advancement constantly involve the ability to adapt to abounds. Back to setback, individual self-awareness. Self-awareness encourages a growth mindset where you are open to learn feedback and self-improvement in agriculture, staying updated with the latest research of technologies and practices. It is essential for an innovation sustainability being self-aware allows you to identify areas for a development and seek opportunities for continuous the growth in your agricultural career.